If you love mixed media textured fabric and warm earth tones that are ready to use, keep watching. This 5-piece fabric bundle of coordinated 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. This bundle includes a textured tweed fabric. Okay, has different shades of muted green colors, kind of a springy type coloring in it to me, like spring colors. You have a kind of a tannish beige color right here, tannish brownish color, and some ivory. Get a close up. Kind of like a seafoam green, and then like a muted kind of pea color green, a muted yellow green. Okay, and it pairs nicely with this 100% raw silk. And this is in a yellow maize color, so it's very subtle yellow color, not anything bright. It's kind of a muted color. It's the texture that is typical of silk. Let's put these two pieces together so you see how well they work together. Okay, that looks nice together. Okay, our next piece. Now this is actually the back side of the fabric. This is the face of the fabric, but the texture on the back is what was really appealing to me. Look at that. And this is definitely going to give your project some interest because you really don't see patterns like this in fabric. And this one happens to not be coated, so it's definitely usable. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that different? Okay. The next piece is a nutmeg colored silk shantung. Okay. A lighter weight fabric, and you can see the nubs. That's typical of silk, raw silk, or 100% silk, that is. And let's put these together. Look at all that together. Now that's a lot of different textures that will really look really nice in a project there. And then our last piece. Now this is a textured weave. It's a little more subtle, but the texture is definitely visible. It's not nutmeg, but it is a tannish brown color that pairs nicely with nutmeg. Okay, see that? Like I said, you can see the textures, just not as distinct as some of the other textures in the bundle, but still works nicely with them. Okay, and put that together. Okay, and this is the completed bundle here, all the textures. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.